Stamp Collecting Techniques and Conservation Methods, Chapter 7, Philately Course, From Pre Philately to Crypto Stamps. Welcome to our eCrypto Stamps, Philately and Financial Investments channel, and don't forget to subscribe. In this comprehensive chapter, we will delve into the practical aspects of stamp collecting techniques and conservation methods. These are vital for any philatelist who wishes to maintain their collection in pristine condition for generations to come. As a hobby that requires dedication, attention to detail, and care, understanding the fundamentals of organizing, maintaining, and preserving your philatelic collection is of utmost importance. When organizing a philatelic collection, it's essential to find a method that caters to your unique collection's requirements and your personal preferences as a collector. You can choose to categorize your stamps by country, topic, or chronological order. To create a customized system, consider using a combination of these methods or even creating subcategories within each primary category. For example, you can organize your collection by country and then further divide it by specific time periods or themes. As a philatelist, you must have the right tools and materials to maintain and expand your collection. Essential tools include stamp tongs for handling stamps without damaging them, magnifying glasses to inspect intricate details, watermark detectors to identify watermarks, and perforation gauges to measure perforations accurately. To aid in identifying, valuing, and researching your stamps, consider investing in stamp catalogs, reference books, and using online platforms dedicated to philately. Building connections within the philatelic community is crucial for exchanging knowledge and tips on philatelic practices. Engage with fellow collectors through stamp clubs, online forums, and social media groups. Networking can provide new insights, opportunities to acquire rare items, and enhance your overall experience in the world of stamp collecting. Preserving your collection requires proper handling and protection from environmental factors. Always use stamp tongs when handling your stamps, as the oils from your fingers can damage the delicate paper. Store your collection in a temperature-controlled environment with low humidity, ideally between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, and 30 to 50% relative humidity. Avoid exposing your collection to direct sunlight, as ultraviolet rays can cause fading and deterioration. To protect your collection from pests and other potential threats, periodically inspect your storage area for signs of infestation or mold. Address any issues promptly and take necessary measures to prevent future occurrences. Consider using pest-resistant storage materials, such as acid-free cardboard or plastic, and avoid storing your collection in damp or poorly ventilated areas. Selecting the right storage options for your stamps and related documents is crucial. Opt for archival quality albums, stock books, and display frames made from acid-free, lignin-free, and PVC-free materials. These will ensure that your stamps and philatelic documents remain in excellent condition. When mounting stamps in albums or stock books, use stamp mounts or hinges made from archival quality materials. Avoid using adhesive tapes or glues, as these can damage your stamps over time. In conclusion, this chapter has equipped you with essential knowledge and practical skills needed to manage and conserve your philatelic collection effectively. We have covered organization techniques, essential tools and materials for collectors, and best practices for preserving and storing your stamps and philatelic documents. We have covered organization techniques, essential tools and materials for collectors, and best practices for preserving and storing your stamps and philatelic documents. As you continue your philatelic journey, don't miss out on our upcoming chapters in the Philately course, which will cover various aspects of the hobby, including exhibitions, competitions, and more. Subscribe to our channel, Crypto Stamps, Philately and Financial Investments, and activate notifications to stay updated on all our latest content. We look forward to guiding you further and helping you become a more knowledgeable and skilled collector.